Fargo and San Diego. I had so much fun yesterday dancing with Matthew Tabs and the rest of the gang at the Music Center. I had to do the choreo again today, and by popular demand, meaning 3 people, they asked for a video, so you can blame them. Nigel was a great idea, had so much fun. And, as they say,